This climb is not that steep on the paper, but every time I climb it, it's really tough. Hello guys, my name is Ville. I make videos about road bike climbs. Today, another very epic one, Loferer Alm. I made a video about this last year. Check it out. I will link it in the description. As always, it's in the evening after work. I hope I will make it up in time so I don't have the descent in the dark. This climb here is always very busy, not with cyclists but with cars, because on the top of the mountain there is the Almenwelt, so there are hotels and restaurants and a family skiing resort where people are in winter and in summer. So this climb starts in Lofer, and right away it is steep and it never stops to be steep. So it's steep all the way up. This is one of the climbs that is so steep that I can't really talk about it going up. As you might have noticed, I'm barely getting any air, and because we had really bad weather with floods and heavy rain, we have very much humidity in the air, and that makes me sweat even more on such a steep climb. So in this video I will talk more on the top and at the descent, because yeah, I think if you look closely in my face, you see how the sweat is jumping out of my pores. I'm sorry, I'm no native English speaker. Let's stop the long talks and look at the rainbow from last year. And some more footage of the climb. Behind me is the sunset, so I will have to hurry to go down. There is a lot of this big gravel stuff, which my road bike wheels don't love that much. Speaking of, let's do a little bike check so you see what I'm climbing with. Alright, this is my Votec VRC. This is the Pro version with the ultegra setup. I ride 52-34 and I have Pancho Rush wheels with tubular tires. I have a CNC made Kassette, which is very dirty. I am sorry. It used to be golden. I'm rocking Vittoria Corsa tires. The rear tire is different than the front tire. Which is Vittoria Corsa Graphene, which I like more somehow. I have a JRC Components Garmin mount, and normally there is my Garmin, but now I had the camera on, so I changed from camera to Garmin and back. And I have a Selle Italia Gilflow Man Technology saddle, which I use now for several years, and I will have to change it soon. Here, the seat post is carbon fiber by Votec, and yeah, as you can see, my bike is quite dirty, but yeah, it feels good to climb with it, and I'm getting used to it more and more. And you will hear at the descent the sound of this nice 240 Freehub. DT Swiss Freehub, I love this sound. Ultegra pedals, and as you can see, Ultegra disc brakes. I wanted to change the rotors to Dura Ace, but I didn't, because when you do descents you need some stability, and the Dura Ace are way too fast, way too thin. So for the descent, especially here, we need less air. Yeah. Ah, look at the view here. It's absolutely mind-blowing, surreal. And it's so very steep. Just 2 seconds not on full braking, you're very fast. This climb is 8.3 kilometers, so not very long, but very, very freaking steep. And there are really small parts that are not really, really steep, like this one here. All right. So obviously, if you do this climb, watch out for these narrow bends and for traffic. Here are a lot of cars around. Yeah, check out this epic mountain street. I really love it. Woohoo! So these metal things on the road are for the cows, so they don't run away. Ah, look at the view here. Ah, this is so steep, man. Fleißig, immer nur am Arbeiten. And down there you see Lofer. So yeah, my Freehub is running warm and my rotors, this is so freaking steep here. I don't know, maybe I think it's so tough because I always do it after work. Once a year. And I have to be honest with you, my dear viewers, every time I do this climb I think, no man, it's the last time, it's so steep. But then I still want the challenge. So I drive here. For nearly an hour, I think. Welcome back to Lofer. Till now, I called my channel by my nickname, which is Ville, and my last name, which is Elo. This will change now because I want potential viewers to see before they click on my channel what's it all about. And it is a bike climbing channel, to be honest. So I decided to call this channel Bike Climb Show. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe.